Welcome to our tutorial on how to switch cameras in a video call on Telegram. If you're looking to easily switch between front and back cameras during a video call, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, open Telegram on your Android device and navigate to the chat you want to start a video call with. Once you're in the chat, look for the phone icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to initiate a video call. Next, if you are already in a voice call, you can convert it to a video call by tapping on the Start Video option at the bottom of the screen. This will transition your call from voice to video seamlessly. Now that you're in a video call, you may want to switch between the front and back cameras on your device. To do this, simply tap on either the front camera or back camera icon that is located at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to toggle between the different camera options during the call. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily switch cameras in a video call on Telegram. Whether you need to show something in front of you or switch to a different angle, this feature makes it convenient for you to do so in real time. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy video calling on Telegram.